Hello LPU classmate, good morning to everyone. This short video is about how to take a screenshot and to record the video of the desktop, personal laptop. So first I will tell you how to take a screenshot. So by pressing this Windows button, here you can see a Windows button, then Shift button and S at once. My one hand is occupied, so I can't press all three buttons at once by using one hand. So just I will keep for a second. Yes, so after pressing this one will pop up on the screen. Here you can see, okay, this one. So it means this is the camera button and you can see this blue line under this underline, so it means it is ready to take the screenshot. So just make sure how much portion you want to take a screenshot. So I want to take a screenshot only the limited area. I don't want to take a screenshot of my whole laptop. So I will select this much portion only, as you can see here. Okay, so this much portion. Okay, a screenshot has been taken already. Now I will go to WhatsApp. For example, I will send myself only. Then you can just paste it or Control V. See, this is screenshot, HD quality screenshot. Done. Now again I will press the same key, 3 button, Windows key, Shift and S to make the video recording. So I will keep my mobile just for a second. Yes, so here you can see this portion, this one. So this is for the video recording. So after pressing this one, you need to select the portion, how much screen you want to record it. So I don't want to record full area, I want to record only this much portion. This much portion only. Then you can leave it and then you can press the start button. As soon as you will press the start button, the recording will be started automatically. Here you can see this second timer has started already. So this is how you can do the both things. Yeah, thank you. Hello everyone, this is the second short video. Since in the first video I forgot to mention where will I get all the screenshot, whatever we take a screenshot or we make the screen recording of the laptop. So just I thought to give the complete information. In first video we have just half of the information where we know how to take a screenshot or to make the screen recording. But in second video I will be considering only where will I get all those screenshots. So it is very important because while taking online class or any presentation or anything else or watching YouTube tutorial video, anything, generally we take a screenshot and we send to the WhatsApp. So sending WhatsApp, it is not feasible because we will have to change the tab from, for example, I'm here. So after taking the screenshot of this portion, I will have to go to WhatsApp and maybe I will send to someone or myself, so which is not feasible. So it is important to know where all the screenshots are saved, are available in the system itself. So for example, if I will take a screenshot of this screen, so just I will take a screenshot now. Okay, so I'm taking a screenshot of this portion. Okay, done. I have taken a screenshot. So now I can send this screenshot to myself as well, as I'm going to send here. Here you can see. Or if I don't want to send, I just want to see where is this screenshot. I will find it. So just go to here, your folder explorer here, as you can see here in this folder, and then you can go to the gallery. This gallery is created by system itself. So go to gallery and click here, and you can see all the screenshots are available here in the system, and this folder is created by default by the system itself. So you can see all the screenshots here. You can scroll down. So here you can see I have taken the screenshots, many hundred. You can see this. So these are from 2024. So we have by year, we have till 2025. So here, if you don't find this gallery option in your laptop, then definitely you will find this option here, picture option here. So you can click on the picture folder, and then here these folders are created by default by the system itself. So go to the screenshots, click on screenshots. Yes, so here you will find all the screenshots in the system. So you will have to go to the bottom side if you want to see your current screenshots. I will scroll down now. Yeah, here you can see I've taken just now this screenshot. Here you can see date also, 2025 3/16 March, this one. Then I've taken this also in the morning. So in two places all the screenshots are saved. First one, you can check gallery. If you won't find gallery option, then you can go to the picture, and here the screenshots folder is already created by the system itself, and you will find here all the things. Just I thought to give this information as well, because sometimes we try to prefer also all the screenshots later on after the class also. Okay, thank you.